This is my Spark Cycleworks Brute, and today we're going to go ahead and do a rematch of that speed test I did like last week. And the first reason why is because I did get this nice Draggy Pro device. Thank you, Alex and Maximum Charge, for recommending this to give me a more accurate speed test. I did have it on the way over here because you can kind of see what it does. And we're going to go ahead and reset that, and I'll probably have to do it again because I had to push it back or ride it back out on the road there. And I did tune a couple minor things, and didn't make too much of a difference, but we'll see what it does. All right, we're just gonna try this out here on the main road. Not exactly the most level place, but I just need a little more runway, especially with this crazy wind that's blowing now. And it's still kind of blowing from my side, but we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we can get a new top speed here, and we're just gonna record it on the Draggy device. And here we go. Oh, there we go. False start. Dang it, I did it again. All right, got it in 3 now. Let's try this again. Here we go. There we got traffic. At least around the shoulder over here, so it should be okay. '62. Try to get on out in the road. 63. Man, it's still stable. I take back what I said before. Not bouncy, it's stable. 64. Woo! Start going up a slight uphill. Oh, the bug just splattered on my hand. Gross. Wish I would have worn my goggles. 64. 65. I seen it for a second, but definitely 64. Wow, it's still stable. I apologize for what I said before. I was wrong. I was afraid it would get a little bouncy, but not at all. Not at all. Well, now, that was an amazing run. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Alright, let's see what it says here. Like I said, I've never used one of these, so it's a little different. Wow, we reached 0 to 60 in 24.47, it says. 0 to 10, we went 1.3 seconds. 0 to 20 in 3. 0 to 30 and 5.4. And keep in mind, this isn't exactly, we're going up a little bit of an incline there. And it even kind of tells you, yeah, 0.46 of a slope. Anyway, 0 to 40 and 8.45, 0 to 50 and 13.70, and 0 to 60 and 24.47. Dang, and I knew it sustained 64 for quite some time there, and I did for a split second see 65, but it just wasn't able to hold on to it. But very impressive. So there you go, guys. And this I know is accurate. This I know you can count on. So that is how fast the Brute can go. And probably even faster. Like I said, I have turned it up even more now, so now I have it up there 120. So, but we need to test this on the way back and see what our temperatures look like now, and see if we can keep it at 100 or less. But at least we definitely need to keep it on 120 for sure. All right, and let me find my app. There we go. On all I want, simple modes. I want the grass. Right now our motor temperature sitting at 67. Just sitting here. Let's go down here and turn around. We're gonna ride it back down and see what our temperature gets up to. Crank her up here. Motor temperature staying good. It's only about 80 right now. see a car gaining on me back there. This way we only seem to be maintaining about 56 for some reason. But I know why, because I forgot the strong headwind. It is a little cooler today too, but we're maintaining 80 degree temperature. So she's definitely got more in her yet, guys. So there you go. Doing just fine. But yeah, it's maintaining about 85, 86 there. So there we go. Yeah, our motor temperature is just fine. 86 degrees. Not bad at all. Yeah, like I said, I was wrong. You guys are right. Yeah, I could definitely get a little more out of it. So definitely gonna keep trying. We're gonna probably tune this up some more, and I'll do some more future tests. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this speed test video on the Spark Cycleworks Brute. It did get up to definitely 64. I really seen 65 there for at least a couple of seconds. So I think if it was a completely still day without the wind, I think we could do it for sure. But man, very impressive. And it's still got more in it, so I would not doubt that I could get it to 70, because it is fast. Very, very fast bike. Awesome bike, guys. The Javelin's even more awesome than this as far as speed. Just does not have the pedals, but man, but you can register it, and so can this one. You can register these things as mopeds or motorcycles even, so they're kind of future proof. So if e-bike laws get crazy, then that's where these things have an advantage. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And please check out my link in the description below to this wonderful bike, or also the Javelin. They're both excellent bikes, and it'll save you $200 if you use my coupon code. And I'll see you in the next one.